What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serrano's Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. Today's video is going to be really short, really sweet. I'm working on this vehicle here, and we all make mistakes, right? So this vehicle is like a kind of like a touch-up. I'll show you really quick what I'm talking about, and then we'll get right into this video. So this vehicle was detailed. Unfortunately, we have some minor issues that was left. Obviously, we have some dried spots, and this is obviously from using the cleaner, and the headliner was done as well, but they forgot like these areas here, and a little bit of, you can see a little bit of the splatter from the product. You can see it right here, and there's a spot right here, and then obviously some splatter all right here, and the windows need to be cleaned as well. So just something minor. You can see the door panels. So my job today, guys, really just repair obviously what was left on the what they left on the, once it dries. So usually, like after your 2 days, your upholstery will dry, and that's kind of what you get. So everything dried up. If you don't use distilled water, that's why you have all the white spots. That's also from the product. It could be from like Flex Citrus, right? So we're gonna fix that issue. But today's video is really on how to eliminate having splatter get on your windows, right? So that's really what the video is going to be about. So let me get all set up, and we'll get started. So really quickly, I want to showcase how you can clean out of these things without having to use an extractor. An extractor is great, guys, but sometimes there's things that obviously when you're using an extractor and you're trying to spray this, you're gonna get the whole window wet, right? And that's what we're trying to eliminate in this scenario, guys. So I've already pre-sprayed this right here, and for this, all I'm gonna use is a steamer with the upholstery attachment and a Vortex air tool at about 100 psi. So we're trying to take away all these black spots that are on here. So step number one, you're gonna steam your material nicely. With the Flex Citrus, guys, that's gonna really help you loosen up all these black spots. All right. Next thing we do, guys, is I'll just go ahead and wipe it really easy. And all these black spots that were on here are pretty much gone. And these black spots are sometimes from when they were cleaning these seats, everything was going towards the plastics. So, you know, so with the Vortex, guys, all I'm doing is kind of just drying the rest or the material up. And this also works as a brush. It's literally like brushing everything. And that's it, guys. Really simple, really quick. And bam, there you go. This car must have been in really bad condition, so it looks like they smoked in it or something. I don't know. I can't say what it has, but there's something in here. Very quick, wipe it off, and bam, you're back to new. When cleaning, if you're new, a lot of you guys have asked me like, hey Carlos, I just cleaned a car and there's white stuff all over it. That white stuff is usually caused when you're using like tap water, right? So a lot of the times is you're using tap water and you're not wiping it off correctly, and this actually dries up. And when it dries up, that's what leaves you all the white like white residue. Very normal. So all I'm doing here is I'm using the Adams Total Interior Cleaner with I'm actually using distilled water on both the steamer and the product. You steam it up like that, guys. Grab your towel and you wipe it off. I'm gonna go ahead and dress this vehicle as well, just so it'll get that wow factor as well. But obviously this product already comes with protection, but I think they just got this car, so that's that. We'll come back, dress all this, and all these plastics are gonna look really, really good. Guys, and I hope you guys can hear me. It's a bit windy today. So what you're gonna need is pretty much just a nice sized towel, right? A drying towel. And what I do, guys, I'll pull the visor out, and then I'll put this towel pretty much on top. And what this is gonna help is obviously the splatter from going to the window, right? And sometimes a lot of people don't do that, and that's what causes a lot of this chemical splattering all over. And what I'm doing right now is literally just spraying the visor with Flex Citrus. And man, this thing was dirty. All right, and that's it. And then I'll just dry up the excess coming down. But that, guys, just eliminates you from having to wipe this window again, right? So right now I'm literally just doing the pre-spray, checking the whole vehicle out really quick, making sure, as well as, you know, sometimes if you guys don't want to get like the center console dirty, you can literally throw a big towel like that, and this covers, this will also cover all the electrical area. So that's just a really, really quick video on something that I know a lot of people have issues with, the splatter on the windows or the backs, right? Having a towel kind of block or use as a wall to spray all your product down is going to help you, as well as having to clean up after yourself twice. So we're going to use this car, but anyways, I hope you guys have a blessed day, and as always, God bless you, and I'll see you guys tomorrow from Philly.